Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to see where you usually stuck in the questions. When you have exams, this question number one, usually nobody knows how to put it into, uh, put the words into numbers. So how you're going to make an equation from the words. So there's where people get stuck with. So here question number one says number A is increased by the product of B and C. The result is divided by C and then decreased by B. Finally, that result is multiplied by C. Which of the following is the final result? There are four choices, so you can try this out and then check out your answers. Now what we are going to do is, usually everybody gets stuck how to form an equation. That's it, you're done, gone. Then you cannot even write the answer if you're not able to form an equation. So that's what you have to learn in this. So here it says number A. So we are going to plot it word by word. Number A is increased by the product. Number A is increased, so you add it by the product of B and C. Product means multiplication, so that means multiplication of B and C. The result is divided. The result, that means equal to, you have a result which is divided by C. That means the result of this thing is divided by C. And then you have, then it is decreased by B. So you will have the whole thing decreased, that is decreased means negative, by B, that means negative B. Finally, that result is multiplied by C. This whole term is multiplied by C. Which of the following is the final result? Now you just have to simplify this. So simple as that. So A plus B into C. Now I'm going to open up the brackets, use distributive property, multiply C with both the terms inside. So you have C, then you have a C here, then you have minus B into C, that is minus B into C. So this C gets cancelled and you're left with A plus BC minus BC. So plus BC minus BC gets cancelled out and you're left with A. So your answer is option A. Okay. So where people usually stuck is forming an equation correctly. That's where you're stuck. Okay, let's see for question number 2. Jenny had M magazines to sell for her soccer team fundraiser. She sold J magazines on her own and her sister sold 9, less than twice the amount Jenny sold. How many magazines remained unsold in terms of M and J? So here also you have to form an equation correctly. People just make mistakes or get confused in making an equation itself. That's why they go wrong. So here we are going to form word by word how you should understand the question. Jenny had M magazines to sell for her soccer team fundraiser. That means total magazines are M. Total are M magazines. She sold J magazines on her own. Who sold? Jenny sold J magazines. That's what is written. And her sister sold 9, less than twice the amount Jenny sold. So 9 less than her sister. So we are going to write that her sister sold 9 less. That means subtract 9 from something. 9 less than something. So what is than? Twice the amount Jenny sold. Jenny sold J, so twice that amount of Jenny. So 2J minus 9 is her sister's. Okay. How many magazines remained unsold in terms of M and J? So all you have to do is, you have total magazines, you have her Jenny's magazines, you have sister's magazines. So all you're going to do is add Jenny's and sister's magazines. How many total they both together sold? That means together they sold J plus 2J minus 9. Is that right? Yes. So we are going to add them up. 3J plus 9. Together they sold 3J plus 9 magazines. And that you subtract from the total. That means M minus of, this is the whole term what I'm talking about. 3J minus 9. This is the mistake where everybody does. They forgot to put a parenthesis because this minus sign is for the whole term, not only for 3J. That's where you have to remember where you're making an error. So M minus 3J minus 9. So when you open up the brackets, you have M minus 3J. Minus into minus will give you plus 9. That's your option D. M minus 3J plus 9. That's your right answer, D. This is where I'm showing you where usually everybody makes mistake, this point and before that forming an equation. That's really important. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 3. Now question number 3 is as simple as that. If x comma y is the solution to the system of the equations above, what is the value of x plus y? So you have two equations given, let it be 1 and 2, let us name that, and there are 4 choices. You can try it on your own and then check out the answers, but here you can use any method. It's upon your wish, like if you want to use substitution method or elimination method and find out the values of x and y. So it's as that simple. I'm going to try out with substitution method. Let's see. In substitution method, okay, first I'm going to take out the value of y from this. So I can take out and substitute. It's your wish if you want to take out the value of x or y or anything and then substitute in the second equation back. So here what I'm trying to do is y is equal to, just cross multiply, x goes the other side, it's dividing, so it will multiply the other side. That gives you 0.5x. So you have got another equation, let it be 3. So this equation is 3. So I'm going to substitute this equation 3 in equation 2. That's called the substitution method. You are going to substitute the value of y in place of y in second equation. So let's write down 2 into x minus 3 is equal to y, whatever we got it as, 0.5x. Now you're going to solve for x, and that's simple. 2x, open up the brackets, 2x minus 6 is equal to 0.5x. So when you have 2 minus 0.5, just subtracting 0.5 from 2, you will get 1.5x is equal to positive 6. X is equal to 6 over 1.5. It's getting multiplied, so it will divide the other side. 6 over 1.5 will give you 4. So you have got the value of x as 4. So just substitute back in equation 1 to get the value of y. So that's y over 4 equals to 0.5. So y is equal to 4 multiplied by 0.5. That's equal to 2. So your y is equal to 2. But the question is, the error where everybody makes mistake is they find the value of x and then circle out the answer. That's 4. No, that's wrong. You have to read out the question properly. What is the value of x plus y? So x plus y means 4 plus 2. That's equal to 6, and your answer is C. That's your option C. Okay, let's see if you can try out question number 4. And now this is super simple. Nobody can say, oh, we cannot try this and it looks really tough and daunting. No. So in the figure above, AB equals to BC, what is the value of x? There are 4 choices given to you. Now we have done so many questions in our last sessions as well. So we have done geometry, angles, everything. So hopefully I can say that those who have listened or those who have seen those videos can easily answer these questions. Okay, as you can see, it says AB is equal to BC. This is the main point of the question. If you get this, what they are trying to say, then you can answer anything. AB is equal to BC. That should be very quick in your mind what they are asking you. AB is this length and BC is this length. As you can see, this is a triangle, and this, whenever 2 sides are equal in a triangle, it forms an isosceles triangle. That's the main point they want us to inform, that they have given you an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal and its base angles are equal. The base of the triangle is this. So these 2 are the base angles which are equal to each other. And one more thing they have given you, we have done in our previous sessions, the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle says this exterior angle, the angle outside the triangle that's connected, exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. So here we have, this is x. Now you can see this is a straight angle that makes 180 degrees. Straight angle is always 180. So this angle will be 180 minus x. 180 minus x plus x will give you 180 back. So that's a straight angle. So if this is 180 minus x, this is also 180 minus x. As it is an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Now you have 180 minus x, 180 minus x, and that the sum of these two angles will be equal to the exterior angle 106. That's it. So you are done with that. 180 minus x plus 180 minus x is equal to 106. So here we have 180 plus 180 will give you 360. Minus x plus of minus x will give you minus 2x is equal to 106. 2x is equal to 360 minus 106. That will give you 254. X is equal to 254 divided by 2. That's just equal to 127. That's your value of x and option D. Okay, so if at all you like this session, don't forget to share it with your friends, hit on the like button, and switch on your notifications for my next live session, and don't forget to subscribe. So and your comment means a lot, so do put a like and write down your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, take care.